In 20 seconds, we developed a tool so you can take a snapshot of any part of your screen and add it to your 20. This is a tool which is a modified version of an open source application called Zscreen. So if you click on this icon, you can actually install this application in your desktop. After that, if you go to Start menu, you can run the application, and you can see the icon showing up in this, taskbar. If you right click on that icon and go to View Settings menu and click on a destination, and if you click on an In 20 second tab, you should actually enter your username, your In 20 second username and password here. Click on a test, and if it works fine, save it. The reason is because once you take a snapshot, that image goes to your user library in 20 seconds. So you need to have a username password. Once you see that this is successful, then any images that you take, it sends the images to the In 20 seconds to your user library. There are other options. You can send it to a file, to a Flickr, or other places. These are coming from Zscreen standard options. You can even send the images to an editor, for example, Paint or image editor, before sending it to your user library. So you can edit, add text or other things on the image. I'm going to uncheck mark that. So the images goes directly without going to the editor. Okay, so let's say, for example, I want to take a snapshot of a website that I want to create 20 out of it. So yeah, I'm reading this article and I want to add this article to my 20, but I want to take a snapshot of the whole web page. So I basically use the Zscreen and I highlight the part that I want, for example in this part, and now it's added to my user library. I can even take a snapshot of a video. So for example, here I'm watching a video, so for example the movie goes here, and let's say this is a nice part and I want to take a snapshot. So I just take a snapshot of this, and now it's added to my user library. So a website, video, or even instead of uploading my image, instead of uploading images, I can take a snapshot of the images. So for example, I go here and I have these two images, and I basically double click on that and simply just go and take a snapshot from my desktop. And now this is also added to my user library. So now if I go to create a 20 and click on a create, so the create window pops up, and when I go to here and click on a user library, you'll see these are the images. This is the snapshot of the website, this is coming from that video, and this is from my desktop. And I can simply click on those and add it for my 20 clip, and simply resize it or anything like that. So this is much easier to add any snapshot and easily use it in your 20. The rest we already explained it on other tutorials. Thank you.